Hi creatives, Karen here, the Unpinned Creative at Unpinned Creative. Just a quick little flip through today for you of a never-ending mini journal. I'm not going to talk too much about it, it's pretty self-explanatory, but just quickly, I was given these beautiful little die cuts of some girls wearing hats with flowers. I believe they were out of a Daphne's Diary magazine, and I couldn't wait to do something with them, so I made this little mini journal. And then I have added pockets to some of the pages and tags, and put some blank pages in between so that it can actually be used as a journal. And that's about all there is I have to say about it. So enjoy this quick little flip through, and I will see you in the next one.